Hello everybody, welcome back and thank you for joining me for another video. All right, so let's get started first by me telling you, you have 8 to 9 weeks, about 9 weeks before the Fluid Art experience is happening in Dallas, Texas. All right, so for those of you who have been procrastinating, now is the time. You are going to run out of time before you know it. We will be there March 14th to the 16th, and I'll be there with Massey Art Studio, Lee and Jeremy, Jessica Winterstrom from Winterstrom Art, Tara, Pieces of Tara Artistry, Sarah Taylor Martin Art, Kathleen from Cause Creations, and then there's guest artists, Nate Bright, Britta Clayton, Amber Goodwin, Brian, like there's so many people coming. I hope I didn't miss anybody, but super duper excited. I'm going to blink and it's going to be March, like no joke. So if you are interested in coming to see me and painting with me, I'll be teaching 6 classes. I'll be teaching blowouts. I'll be teaching bloom blowouts. I'll be teaching top coat resin class where you're going to be top coating a piece that I'm going to bring to you guys of my artwork, and you're going to get to take that home with you from the resin class. And then of course a ocean themed resin class with a metal stencil. So lots of classes happening. So if you want information on that, go to www.fluidartexperience.com, and then I'll be in Montreal. Sign up for Montreal if you're in and around the area or close to the border around Montreal. Pop on over April 12th. I will be there. You can email me at kanella@gmail.com for information. And then finally, I'll be in Spokane, Washington. So that's happening June 6th to 9th. It is an all-inclusive lakeside retreat. Lakeside cabins, lakeside fires with friends, minimal amount of people. And my classes are half sold out, okay? So limited spots available. If you want information on that event, you can go to the description below and there is a website. All right, so who saw my last video? Hands up. Not like I can see your hands are up, but my last video was a Below Bonanza special clearance sale of everything I have sitting here in the studio. And I'm happy to say I've sold more than half of the paintings from that video. If you have no idea what I'm talking about, check out the video before this one and you'll see all the paintings that I currently have sitting here in my studio that need to be sold at a super, super discounted price. Like I said, half are already sold, but there's still half left. So if you are interested, check out the video and then you can email me and say, hey, Kanella, I'm interested in this piece from this video number, and I will let you know A, if it's sold, and B, if it's available, and if so, how much, all right? So this was from my 2 videos ago where I did the greenies and the sea glass base, and I used a white cell activator. And now I did already resin it, and you can see how pretty that has turned out. All right, so it's already resined, and I think, don't quote me, I have to check my list because it may have sold as part of the sale video, but I don't remember. Anywho, look at that. So I said I was going to do the exact same colors, but this time use the Paynes gray cell activator. So that is what we are doing today. So we are using the Paynes gray and we're going to see the difference. And then you guys are going to tell me in the comments. Oh, goodness gracious. Come on. Oh, gosh. Goodness. Oh, that hurt. You guys are going to tell me in the comments which one you like better. The white cell activator or the Paynes gray. All right, so my base is Sea Glass, Sherwin Williams, color to go. Okay, so that's going to be my base. And then the colors, again, same as the last video. I'm going to run through them really quick. We've got, sorry, that's not Sea Glass. This is called Sea Salt. This is Sea Glass. So Sea Glass from TLP. Then we have Aspen. All of these are TLP piggies, okay? Aspen. Then we have Pinot Gris. Nice interference with a little hint of green in there. Then we have Black Forest, a nice dark hunter green. I don't even know if you can see that. Abalone. Thank you to the person who corrected me. It's pronounced abalone, like baloney. No, I don't know. That's what I was told. So abalone, abalone, baloney. And then this one is the Stuck Up Piggy Boastful. Okay, there they are. There they are, my friends. All right, so what day is it today? Today, I'm creating this on the 10th. You guys are watching this on the 11th. Oh, I just ripped my glove. And yesterday, the 9th, was my dad's 70th birthday. My daddy turned 70. Yep, he's still young at heart. And so, anywho, so many people wished him a happy birthday on my Facebook page. You guys are so sweet. But yeah, it was his birthday yesterday. He's 70 years old, my daddy. Oh my gosh, there's so much dog hair on my shirt. All right, I'm gonna flood this canvas. I'll be right back. All right, canvas is flooded. And before I forget, I already have it. It is my Paynes Gray by Amsterdam cell activator with Australian floetrol. Now, if you want to know how I mix all my piggies, my cell activator and all that, you can check out video number 719. I will link it here at the top. It is a full tutorial for ingredients and recipes and ratios for the bloom technique. All right. Let's get started here. Oh, Echo, I have a guest today. Echo, where are you going? He never comes and hangs out with me. And today he came down the stairs and I was so happy because, oh, he just went upstairs. That was it. He was down here for about half an hour and then he's like, see ya, Mom. But Juno is always down here with me. He is my shadow, never leaves my side. But yeah, Echo came to visit briefly. Now he's gone. Now he's gone. You guys, it is so flipping cold out today. Walking the dogs this morning was frigid. It is minus 24 with the wind chill today. Yeah, I hate winter. Yes, I live in Canada where it's cold, but hey, you can't blame me. This is where I was born, right? I was born here. So I have to live with it. Doesn't mean I have to like it. I have to live with it. But yeah, it is flipping cold. Oh, which reminds me, for everyone who bought paintings from my sale, please be patient with me. I am going to pack them up in order of payment received. So I have just over 20 paintings to pack up and find out what the shipping cost is for you. So be patient. You know, I will reach out with an email once I have your painting packed up and I know what the shipping cost is, and then I shall ship it out. But yeah, just be patient with me because I have a lot of paintings to pack and I'm so grateful to everyone who purchased a painting. All right. I'm very excited to see a lot of these off my walls, into a box, and off to their new home. All right, big bubble here. And I think that is it. Okay, I got my hair dryer ready. I've got my cell activator. All right, let's see the difference between white and Paynes Gray cell activator. So let's add the cell activator right here in the center. That may have been a lot, but it is what it is. Let's blow it out. All right, that's been blown out. We are going to give it a minute. Oh, sugar. Sugar, do. Honey, honey. The lid on my flower hair dryer just came off. There we go. All right, let that do its thing. I'll be right back. I'm going to clean these up while that's doing its thing. Be right back. Oh. All right, so put all my stuff away. I blew 2 bursts with my straw, and look at that center. That center is lovely. Now, last time I didn't do squiggles around the edge, and I didn't really like some parts of it. So I'm not gonna, I'm not gonna over squiggle it, but I am gonna do a few in certain parts that I think it needs it. I hope this part falls off the side because I don't like the way that looks. So we'll see. Sometimes, I know some of you like the squiggles, some of you really hate the squiggles, and I get it. It's a preference. I totally get it. But I didn't squiggle on the last one, so I'm going to squiggle on this one. And if you hate it, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Okay, so my bloom is kind of a little this way, so I'm going to off-center it and bring him this way, just so that when I initially spin him, hopefully it comes more this way. So I'm going to start spinning. I will speed you guys up, and when I'm done spinning, I'll be right back. Okay, I love it. I'm sorry, I hate white cell activator. I do. The cells went really wonky. Again, maybe because I used old white cell activator. Someone had commented and said, oh, you used all piggies and you didn't use any Amsterdam, any tube paints or anything. That's why the cells went wonky. That's not really necessarily true because I've done this before where I've used just piggies and my cells don't go wonky with my Paynes gray cell activator. And you know what? As I'm tilting it, there's it's not even moving. Oh my gosh, I am so thrilled with this piece. Oh yeah. Oh. Look at it. And I spun it. There was a big black blob from the initial blowout. And I really wanted that off the edge, and it totally went off the edge. And I am so thrilled with how this looks. Oh my gosh, you guys. Oh, I cannot wait to show you the close-up. So I'm going to, oh gosh, look at this. My gosh, that abalone looks so good. I'm going to put you guys on pause. I'm going to clean this mess up and I'm going to bring you guys in for a close-up. Be right back. All right, everybody, let me show you guys the close-up. Now, of course, you're not going to see the shimmer until I turn the lights off, but I'm loving the cells. I love the center. Everything just looks so perfect. So this is what it looks like with all my lights on. And I'm going to show you guys the other one. So here's the white cell activator where the cells got really wonky here in the middle. You know, it is a brighter piece. I will give you that. And there is more negative space, obviously. I took the whole negative space off of this one. But yeah, and my squiggles didn't really matter because I spun it all off the edge anyway. But you can obviously see the difference between the two. So it really is a preference. But now let me turn the lights off and see what kind of shimmer we get. Alrighty, so flash is on and there's that beautiful abalone. Every time I say abalone, I want to say baloney, which is silly. So I'm going to call it abalone, even though that's probably not the way you say it, but I don't care. Just like how I say Arteza when it's actually really Arteza paints. But look at that shimmer. It's so pretty. Let's see the center. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I cannot wait till this dries and I resin it. Oh, goodness gracious. And there you have it, my friends. I would love to know what you guys think about this in the comments below. Do you like the Paynes gray cell activator or do you like the white cell activator? Let me know in the comments below. This is available for purchase for anyone who's interested. And again, if you did not see my previous video with all my pieces that are up for sale and clearance, you know, mega blowout sale, go and check it out. Check it out and get yourself a piece of my art at a very, very discontinued sale, clearance, whatever you want to call it, price. So check that out and email me at kanellaciraco@gmail.com. So yeah, that's it for me. Like I said, let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Black or Paynes gray or white? That is it for me, my friends. Until next time, thank you so much for watching. Have a good day. Have a good night. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye.